Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Monday evening after 9:30. It's another chilly, quiet night under clear skies. Once again, I do expect a little bit of frost overnight early in the morning. Weather on land is fine, but we continue to, well, for one reason, high pressure is in control. And that area of high pressure is one reason why Hurricane Teddy not expected to have make a landfall in New England, and not that we were ever expecting that to happen, but it is kicking up the waves and the surf. And, we're watching two systems. One is Beta, tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico. Fortunately, that system is weak in terms of wind, but it is producing rain. You can see it there on the Texas coastline. And there's Teddy, at last check, moving north. Winds at 90 miles per hour. We can get a close-up look. The forecast track, the thinking from the National Hurricane Center, it hasn't really changed, taking that turn towards Halifax, Nova Scotia, and the Canadian Maritimes Tuesday night into Wednesday. So that forecast track takes it about 325 miles east of Cape Cod. So that's far enough away so that we don't get, hurricane conditions or torrential rain, but close enough to be really kicking up the waves, the swells, the surf, and even a little bit of wind. There is a high wind advisory for Cape Cod and the islands only, and while it will be kind of a blustery and windy day here in southern New England, nothing serious, out on the Cape, the wind a little stronger. All right, take a look at the wave height forecast. Now, we have computer models that can determine how large waves and swells will be offshore. So the little rainbow colors, the reds and yellows and purples, indicate where the largest waves are, and obviously near the center of the storm. But the storm, even though it's passing well out to sea to our east, it does make its closest pass to us on Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. The surf and the waves really cranking up along the coastline, and the storm continues north through Halifax, Nova Scotia, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. You take a look at the weather buoys. Now, we're taping this as of almost 10 o'clock in the evening. And note that buoy showing 15 feet offshore. Just, several hours ago, that was showing 10-foot waves. So the wave heights offshore have been increasing, and some of that wave energy coming towards the coastline, and the net result obviously would be some big surf and dangerous rip currents. And for the offshore fishing community, clearly you don't want to be out at sea or well offshore in this particular situation. The waves are large and the winds are strong. So we take a look at, it'll be gusty on Tuesday just about everywhere, but as far as something a little more significant, high wind advisory, the Cape and the islands. Out there, wind gusts maybe on the order of 50 to 60 miles per hour. For the rest of us, I don't think anything higher than, say, 30, 40 miles per hour coming up on Tuesday. So, yes, a windy day, but nothing that would create any damage, but a little stronger at Cape. The hour-by-hour forecast, and we'll take you into early on Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. That chill in the air, once again, maybe a touch of frost away from the coastline. Inland, we go from mostly sunny to partly sunny. So mostly sunny in the morning, partly sunny during the afternoon. Windy, temperatures that are in the mid to upper 60s, and the winds are sustained at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, but at times they're going to be gusting in that 30 to 40 range. 6 o'clock in the evening, mid-60s, partly cloudy, windy. And by Tuesday night at 11 o'clock, cool, though not quite as chilly as the last couple nights. So here's how it breaks down Tuesday morning. A mostly sunny start. Chilly in the morning with some patchy frost. The wind increasing throughout the day, especially during the afternoon. Again, gusts anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour with hazy sun and clouds. And your temperatures topping out in the upper 60s. Big surf. Dangerous rip current at area beaches. We're thinking the surf, the rollers coming in at about 13 feet. So dangerous waters on the beaches, windy and sunny, air temperature 68, water temp in the upper 60s, surf anywhere from 6 to 13 feet. Bay forecast, it's a gusty day. Now, on the bay, it's small craft advisory, but out in the open waters, it's a gale warning, and then further offshore, it's a storm warning. North, so this is essentially the bay forecast. North, 15 to 20, gust 30, choppy waves, and good visibility, unrestricted under mainly sunny skies. All right, 7-day forecast. You missed the warmer weather. Well, I'll tell you what, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even Saturday and Sunday, we're talking mid and upper 70s, so a nice warming trend after several days of very cool weather. Boy, we need rain, obviously, and there's nothing there in that 7-day forecast, so pretty dry. Oh, one other thing. There is a fire weather watch for Tuesday. What is that? Well, the combination of very gusty wind, very dry air, low humidity, dry brush, fire weather watch has been issued. So in other words, outdoor burning, of yard refuse, leaves, and things like that. Fire pits discouraged because of the gusty winds, the very low humidity, and the dry brush. Discarding of cigarette butts out the window on the highway and things like that. So that's why there's a fire weather watch. Too much dry air and gusty wind. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. Be sure to tune in to Michelle bright and early on Tuesday morning, starting at 4:30 a.m. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.